Understanding rocks in one's head, a quirky English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat humorous phrase, having rocks in one's head. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's a colorful way to express a concept in English. Stick around as we explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. When someone says that a person has rocks in their head, they're not talking about actual stones. This phrase is a figurative way to say that someone is making unwise decisions or has foolish ideas. It suggests that the person's thoughts or decisions are as senseless as having literal rocks instead of a brain. It's important to note that this expression is used humorously and is not meant to be taken literally or used in formal situations. The exact origins of having rocks in one's head are a bit murky, as is the case with many idioms. However, it's believed to have been derived from the old notion that foolishness or silliness was the result of a physical anomaly in the brain. Over time, this concept evolved into the humorous idiom we know today, used to highlight someone's nonsensical or irrational behavior or ideas. To get a better grasp of how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. He thinks he can learn to speak a new language in a week? He must have rocks in his head. Anyone who believes that rumor has got rocks in their head. She's planning to hike the entire trail without any prior training? That sounds like she has rocks in her head. These examples show the phrase in action, emphasizing its use in casual or informal contexts to express disbelief or amazement at someone's decisions or beliefs. While having rocks in one's head is an amusing and expressive phrase, it's best used in informal settings among friends or in casual conversation. It's not suitable for formal contexts or in situations where it could be misinterpreted as rude or offensive. Always consider your audience and the context before using idiomatic expressions like this one. We hope this exploration of the phrase, having rocks in one's head, has been enlightening and enjoyable for you. English is full of colorful and imaginative expressions that make it a rich and fun language to learn. Remember, understanding and using idioms can greatly improve your conversational skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.